A seasoned wilderness guide demonstrates a rapid cliffside shelter built from tarps, cordage, and rocks to weather a sudden windstorm. He explains anchor points, strainers, and securing knots while evaluating terrain for escape routes and load distribution. Next, the team improvises a water collection system from a drip line and a reflective tarp to stay hydrated. Expert insights reveal how to read wind shifts, manage fatigue, and communicate signals to rescue teams under stress. The episode closes with a step-by-step practice drill and safety checks that turn fear into calm, capable action.